How to access or download idle time report in FMS. Begin by logging into the Fleet Management System, FMS, for seamless access. Access various reports by clicking on Reports. Select the idle time report from the available options. Choose the desired date range for the report. The chart at the top displays the average idling, miles driven, total engine hours, and total idle time for the selected date range. The pie chart illustrates the idle time and driving time percentages. On the right side, you'll find a bar graph representing drivers against their average idle time. Below the graph, a list of drivers includes details like miles driven, engine hours, idling percentage, idle time, and idle events count. Click on a specific driver to access a detailed view. On the driver-specific page, the top graphs present the same metrics as the previous tab. On the right side, you'll find a bar graph representing idle events of the selected driver against dates. Below, view details such as the date and time, vehicle number, and idle time for the selected driver. At each step, you have the option to download the report in PDF, Excel, or CSV format by clicking on the download button located at the top right corner of the screen.